In this video, we're going to finger paint in a hibiscus flower, a red hibiscus flower. And again, what I need, I have my glove on because I'll be using mostly my forefinger. I need some paper towels just to wipe my forefinger when I move from one color to the next. And then in terms of the colors, again I'm using the acrylic paints. So in terms of the colors, I need the cadmium red light, the alizarin crimson, the yellow, and titanium white. Okay, so it's cadmium red light, alizarin crimson, yellow, it doesn't matter, any kind of yellow. You can use yellow ochre, you can use the cadmium yellow light, and last but not least the titanium white. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to cover the as you can see, before I start, I've already sketched the flower itself, and then the background is just black gesso. Okay, so I'm going to cover the petals with the cadmium red light. Okay, so I apply the color on my forefinger and just cover the petals, and I will do petal by petal. Okay, so I'll start by just outlining the petal itself. Okay. Okay, like this, and then just from outside inward, I'm just stroking like this. Okay, and then I'll move to the next petal. Again, I'll start by outlining the petal itself, just using my forefinger. And then again, out, in, just stroking like this. Okay, so you do all the 5 petals. Okay, we've covered the petals with the cadmium red light. I'm just wiping my forefinger because I'm moving to the next color. Okay, and the next thing I want to do is to highlight these petals, And for highlight, I'm just gonna add white to the cadmium red light. Okay. Okay, and all I'm gonna do is just, you know, stroking from outside inward, okay, with my forefinger, just like that, and just highlighting, just like that. Okay, so it's the white, titanium white, and the cadmium red. Okay, and I'll just go around doing that petal by petal, again from out, in, out, in. Okay, I've gone in and highlighted these petals. Now the next thing that I want to do is to darken the middle. If you look at any hibiscus flower, especially a red one, you see that the middle is dark. So I'm gonna add that, and for that I'm just gonna use the alizarin crimson. Okay. So alizarin crimson on my forefinger, and you know, just in the middle, and I'm just gonna tap, okay, like that. So it's just tap, 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 tap. Okay, so we've done that. The next thing that I want to do is to add the petal, the stigma, and the anthers. So the petal, which is like, you know, just like a stem inside. So it's petal, the stigma, and the anthers. Actually, I think hibiscus has got 5 stigmas actually. Okay, so that's the next thing I'm gonna do, and because the petal is thin, my forefinger is too big for that, so I'm gonna be using I'm gonna cheat here and use a liner brush for that. Okay, I think I'm gonna have my petal here. Okay, going this way, I think. Let me see which side is better. Just turning it around to see which one is better. Okay, I think it's better this way. So I'll put my petal here. Okay, and for the petal, I'm just gonna use the same color as the middle. So this is the alizarin crimson. Okay, so that it shows. Okay, again, I'm gonna use my liner brush. And you know, this is a liner brush, very thin, and I will roll it to make it even more thinner. So I'm dipping it in the alizarin crimson and then just rolling my brush. Okay, So here's gonna be my petal. I'm just gonna put it. Okay, like that. I don't know that's showing. Do it again and then bring it closer to the camera. Okay, like that. And then I'm gonna add the 5 stigmas. So 1 here, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there they are, and some adding there. Okay, I've added the 5 stigmas. Now I'll add the anthers. And if you look at hibiscus, the anthers are yellow. So I'm gonna add those. There are several of them. Okay, and for that, as I said, I'm gonna use yellow. And I'll use again my liner brush. So I'm just rolling it so that it's nice and pointed and thin. So I'm just rolling the brush in the color. Okay. Okay, I've rolled it and then just add these anthers, and I'm just tapping. Just tapping. Again, just take a look at hibiscus flower and see what it looks like. And you know, you see that it has these yellow dots. Well, here they're called anthers. So I'm just adding those. Again, more. Okay, I don't know whether you can see them, but I'll show them to you. Let's see if I can. Yeah, okay, there you go. Closer to the camera. Okay, there they are. So, and you can add more if you want. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Okay. Now I just want to highlight this petal, and that, you know, obviously you have to decide where the light is hitting, where your light is coming from. I'm going to highlight on the right side. Okay. And I'm just using a bit of white. So just a little bit of white. Okay, I'm gonna go back and just define the petals, and I'm just gonna go back and use the cadmium red light that I used, and just really just to show the different petals. Okay, so I'm just going using, as you can see, I'm just really defining the ends. Okay, and I'll just do that just round. Okay, I think our hibiscus flower is done. Again, very easy to do. I hope you have enjoyed this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit the notification button. Thank you so much, and God bless. Bye for now.